Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. Here we are starting the skeleton of a steering wheel. I'm not sure what you call that on a ship. But basically, as you can see, I've taken 2 plates, paper plates, and cut out the centers. And then I'll kind of get down here and lean in for you. Packed in some paper loosely, and I'm starting to tape around it. What you see here making up the spokes is long strips of cardboard that I have packed some newspaper around, and I'm going to just squeeze that, as you can see, like I did here. Just squeezed it and taped it, and then I'll go all the way out to the ends. This is what the skeleton looks like, though. I wanted to go ahead and show you where I was at on that. Once this is completely taped up, I'll begin paper macheing it. Okay, so I've got everything all taped up here. We're ready to start paper macheing. And I've got some strips here along with the paste. Now this one is the paste that I make with the cornstarch. I think I have a couple of videos already uploaded on the 2 types of paper mache that I use. Flour and water is fine. I just like this cornstarch recipe, so I thought I'd use it. But I'm going to start paper macheing. I didn't want you guys to have to watch me tape up the entire wheel and cover the loose paper and all of that. But I just wanted to show you it does not look perfect. But it doesn't have to. Okay, you're really just doing some basic sculpting when you're doing this. And now that it's taped up, I can start applying the paper mache. Alright, so I'll get the bulk of it done and I'll bring you back. And you can see me putting on some of the paper mache. Okay, just finishing up a few bare spots here on my second layer, as you can tell, because it's the color. And here. And one right over here. Alright, so this needs to dry, and then I'll be able to put on the final coat of paper mache. Now for Bible school, I typically do 3 layers. If it was something elaborate I was doing that was going to be sitting out in my home for a long time, maybe I'd go with more layers. But I have found through the years that when I am paper macheing my Bible school things, that 3 layers tends to be pretty good. Alright, so bring you back when we're ready to paint this. I've just kind of given you an example of paper mache. I'm not going to make you watch me cover this entire thing again. I just wanted you to see how I tear the strips, apply the paste, and overlap as I go, and the fact that I do 3 layers of it, okay? So I will see you back in probably a couple of days. Bye. I apologize, guys, I didn't hit record, but it's not rocket science. To finish it up, I painted it brown. Decided the kids would like more color on it, so found some old gold paint that I went ahead and put the ring in gold.